pinaninindigan ninyo na ang merong management, control, and nag-ooperate ay Filipino.
Opo, Your Honor.
So ang ibig sabihin po ba nito na ang Pilipino ay siya yung may desisyon, yung kumbaga huling pa siya doon sa mga decisions that the NGCP makes?
Opo, Your Honor.
Okay. So Pilipino lahat yan?
Opo, Your Honor.
Most of the questions that I'd like to ask have already been asked by Deputy Speaker J.J. Suarez. But just following the issues that he raised on the very concerning and very alarming, there seems to be a control by the Chinese nationals in the operation of the NGCP. Kaya earlier, I was asking if the shareholders' agreement was submitted to the committee, because most of my questions that I'd like to propound are based on the information that is stipulated in that agreement. However, in the absence of that, I'd like to pursue the issue where in this corporation, there seems to be total and full control of the Chinese nationals. Tanong ko lang sa NGCP, no? Sa maraming pagkakataon, kapag tinatanong who controls, operates, and manage the NGCP, ang lagi pong sagot ay Pilipino. Tama po ba yan?
Tama po, Your Honor.
Okay. So, pinaninindigan ninyo na ang merong management, control, and nag-ooperate ay Filipino.
Opo, Your Honor.
So, ang ibig sabihin po ba nito na ang Pilipino ay siya yung may desisyon, yung kumbaga huling pa siya doon sa mga decisions that the NGCP makes?
Opo, Your Honor.
Okay. So, Pilipino lahat yan?
Opo, Your Honor.
Okay. Kasi kanina, nabanggit ni Congressman Suarez na doon sa desisyon sa pagbili ng lupa, paghingi ng approval, ang nagre-rekomenda ay ang isang Chinese national. So, that's the reason why I said earlier, this is very concerning and alarming. Bakit sila yung nagdidesisyon? Di ba dapat Pilipino ang nagdidesisyon dyan? But sabi nga, gaya nga ng sinabi mo, Pilipino ito, no? Doon sa mga nakaraang hearing, lagi po natin ini-emphasize that Filipino control in the transmission network ng Pilipinas ay napakahalaga because marami pong isyong nakaakibat dito. At ang pinaka-importanting issue dito ay yung national security. Tama po ba? Do you agree with me?
I agree, Your Honor.
So you agree with this representation that full control, full management of the transmission, national transmission, must be in the hands of patriotic Filipinos.
Nag-agree po ako, Your Honor.
Nag-agree kayo dyan. Sige. So, matanong ko lang, ano ba sa inyong pananaw ang relasyon ng transmission network sa national security? If I may be educated, Mr. Chair. Sa inyong pananaw, sa NGCP, anong relasyon nito? Anong kahalagahan?
Napakahalaga po, Your Honor. Dahil katulad nga po sa mga nakakaraang House Committee on Energy hearing, si Kong Dagook talagang sinasabi niya parang basic necessity na natin ng power. Dati, food, tubig, bahay. Pero ngayon, power. Kaya po, sumasangayon ako na napakahalaga ng transmission network po.
So salamat at isa kang ring patriotic Filipino na sumasang-ayon na itong transmission network ng ating bansa ay dapat nasa ilalim ng kamay ng mga Pilipino. Sa present situation and setup ng NGCP, masasabi mo ba na ang transmission network ng Pilipinas under the control and management of NGCP ay nasa ilalim ng kamay ng mga Pilipino?
Walang pagsusubali, Your Honor. Sumasang-ayon ako na nasa kamay ng mga Filipino.
And I presume, Mr. Chair, that that's the same opinion shared by your colleagues in the NGCP. Tama po ba? Attorney, all of you from the NGCP.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, maraming salamat dahil napakahalaga nga po nitong transmission network natin, no? At isa doon sa function na kung saan ay bago gumawa ng project, bago bumili ng lupa, o anumang desisyon na gagawin ng management ng NGCP, meron po kayong kinreate o merong nakikreate na sinasabi niyong working group. Is that correct?
Your Honor, yun nga po yung hindi masyadong maliwanag sa akin. That's a matter that's not clear to me when si Congressman Luis Tro was the one asking question, because working group, meron po kami mga TWGs. Kunyari, nung nag-bar exams, may TWG kami. Pag may election, may TWG na nag-aano na talagang hindi mag-brown out sa mga importanteng pagkakataon na yon. Hindi po ako pamilyar, Your Honor, sa working group. Hindi po ako pamilyar, Your Honor. We have, Your Honor, like departments, RODI, Right of Way Department. Meron po kaming mga ganon, Your Honor. Working group, wala po. Mula nang pumasok ako ng NGCP, TWG.
There's no such
working
thing
group,
as
hindi.
working group.
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
There's no such thing as the working group. Is that what you're saying?
Yes, since I joined, Mr. Chair,
Okay.
hindi ako familiar sa
When did you join the NGCP?
2019, Your Honor.
But more or less you have reviewed or perhaps you have been informed as to the contracts entered into
Yes, Your
prior
Honor.
to your appointment, correct?
Yes, Your Honor. I'm
Halimbawa po,
with the OGC, Your Honor.
Halimbawa po, yung 2014, yung nagkaroon ng bid para sa natitirang aspeto ng Aurora Polanco, yung transmission line project, tama? You're familiar with that?
If your document provides so, Your Honor.
Yes, kasi nga, napakahalaga because this is the information that was shared with us wherein this working group plays a very vital and important role. Ba't ko nasabi ito, Mr. Chair, is that nung pong nagkaroon ng isang project, itong sinasabing Aurora Polanco 138 kV transmission line project, nagpabid ho kayo. But that is a normal procedure, correct?
Opo, competitive bidding before awarding any project.
Okay, so when you open for bids, do you qualify those that will submit their bids?
Yes, the bidders, Your Honor, are qualified. Yeah.
Okay, so I am also sure and certain that in this particular project which I mentioned, is that may nag-submit na mga bids sa inyo. And doon sa mga nag-submit ng bids, karamihan po ay Chinese-owned companies. Are you aware of that?
Pagpaumanhin po, Your Honor, I'm not aware dyan sa particular po na minimension nyo.
Or perhaps it may help us to determine whether these companies are really those that submitted their bids in this particular project. Can we ask the Secretariat to show the slide of these Chinese companies who joined the Aurora Polanco transmission line project? Tatlongput-anim po ang mga kumpanyang nag-submit ng kanilang bids dito. At lumalabas dito sa mga bid na ito ay mahigit kalahati ho ay puro China o Chinese-owned bidders o Chinese-owned companies. Now, bakit ko sinasabi to, no, na ano bang importansya, no? Okay lang naman ho siguro kung mag-bid ang isang Chinese company kung wala hong bidder mula sa Pilipinas. Do you agree?
Opo.
Okay. So, dun ho sa mga bids, sino ho nag-evaluate ng bids? Sino nagsasabing mananalo ito, matatalo ito, hindi nagka-qualify ito? Sino ho yan?
Meron po kaming department, Your Honor, at yung most advantageous bid, yun po yung mako-consider for an award, Mr. Chair.
Can you repeat that, please?
Meron po kaming department that who evaluates kung ang most advantageous bid, Your Honor, sa kanya po maa-award yung project, Your Honor.
Base sa aming kasing information, ang nag-evaluate o yung membro ng evaluation, bid evaluation, nag-submit ng bid evaluation report on this particular project ay si Mr. Yuan Mingjun at si Mr. Chen Changwei. You're familiar with those names?
I am not familiar with those names, Your Honor.
Yes, I agree because you were not there yet. No, this was 2014 project.